Hey guys, good morning. Bright and early morning. This is Delstina. Well, I came to bring you some more news of my degenerative joint disease progress. And today I'm having surgery. Again, again. I'm having shoulder replacement surgery of my left shoulder. It's gotten so bad that it's very difficult for me to elevate it above this point voluntarily. Sleeping, moving around, exercising, driving is becoming so bad. I'll show you some pictures of what a good shoulder should look like and what a bad shoulder should look like. But say a prayer for me that things will go out well and I'll be able to get my full range of motion like this one again, and I'll be able to do push-ups and run and all kinds of good stuff so I can get back fully integrated into the body that I used to have. Some people are saying I'm bionic woman. I would appreciate that if the joints were better each time, because I've got my neck done and my knee done and my hips done and now this shoulder, and we'll see if I can hold it off until, I don't know, maybe a few more years before I have to get it all done again. So say a prayer for me. Keep on doing what you do. Go get your workout in. Use what you got while you got it. That's what I tell everybody. Enjoy the life you live today to the utmost possible way. Get up, go to the gym, work out, get with your trainer, go to your favorite station, get out and get a walk or run, because we never know how long we have with what we have, right? And you don't miss it until it's gone. So I just want to motivate you and encourage you to get out there, get the most out of life, enjoy it, every drop, like Folgers used to say, good to the last drop, and make the most of what you got. So say your prayers for me, and I'll keep you posted on my surgery. Maybe I'll get some good pictures of the surgeon getting in there and cutting open, if I can get Steven to take some. All right, bye-bye.